thing. Learning an HTML, CSS, JavaScript all together helps you to make web pages, right? So you can run it on your computer or mobile phones or even what tablets, PCs, everything that have an internet connection. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. So making a mobile app is nothing different. Just the thing is, they don't run. They usually don't need an internet connection to run. Instead, if they, yeah, they might have some functions that really need internet connection, but without internet connection, it's still fine. Like you can play Candy Crush, you can play Subway Surfer, or even you can go to YouTube and watch the same repeated videos or some logo mark that is like error loading videos. Still, you can open the web page, open the application, right?
Yeah.
So it's actually the same thing. Now, making a mobile app is not usually I draw a diagram, used to draw a diagram for you like this, right? And give you the design inside it. Now, when you are doing a mobile app, I'm gonna make it look like a mobile screen. Cool.
Okay. Yeah.
So let's say, this is your mobile screen, okay? And on it, this is your actual screen. The rest is the decoration that you give. And because this course is about all about Android development, I'm not gonna draw a circle in between at the bottom because we are gonna learn only about Android devices. Do you have an Android device with you?
No, I do not.
You don't?
No, I don't.
So we're gonna need an Android emulator, and you that will come with an Android Studio as well. And what's Android Studio? Did I show you Android Studio before?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna show you that today. Okay, so Android Studio will give you an emulator which you can run as an artificial Android phone. You might get Google Pixels and any of those phones, and you can run it to check how does your app looks on your mobile phone. And later, I hope if you become a really good Android developer, uh, you can buy a really simple phone. Android phones are really cheap, right? The very simple ones, very simple
Yeah.
ones. Yeah, so you can get one. Not now, not now. After a long time, when you like you're really making some apps that you want to publish on Google Play and can earn money through it, or be a really good business developer. Yeah, you need that Android phone to test it in real world, or you can send it to, and yeah, you can make the APKs. Like if you look over here, there are some APKs on my screen that the apps I usually make. I save their APKs over here. The rest of them are deleted. Okay, share my screen. Do you see here? Do you see these two APK files over here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, if you just send this to anyone on what through WhatsApp or anything, yes, they can open down install that thing in their phone. Okay, now this is our Android screen. Now what's gonna go inside it? Let's say we need just like the HTML and CSS, we need a heading, and I need a picture. I need a picture here, and I need the description about it like this, not like that. I need a quite good description about it. Okay, like this. Cool.
Okay. Yeah.
And then another picture at the bottom saying thank you for visiting. Okay, that's a really simple one page Android app. Now, all the designs and putting it all together in the web development course was done by HTML and CSS, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, for all this kind of purpose, we have one language called XML. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
what's XML? It's called Extensible Markup Language. Okay, now XML is, to be honest, is like to be in a really simple manner. What I usually take it as it's HTML plus CSS together as XML. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
and what it does, it put the content on your mobile page and it gives it's a design. It does the both work of HTML and CSS. Now you have learned about JavaScript in our web development course, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's JavaScript. All right, here we're not gonna use JavaScript though. Here we're gonna use another language called Java. Have you heard of it?
No, not really.
All right, that's the very, very common and basic language when it comes as a programmer. If you're a programmer, you must know Java. No, it's not like right now, no. But olden days, yes. What does Java do is like what JavaScript does to our web page. What JavaScript usually does to our web page was it gives logic to our code, right? If one plus one, what happens? It gives us the result out, right? Other
Yeah.
logics, like if you want to open, send a print statement or have some functions, objects, get the user input, and so on. Like if in this app I have two buttons, like this one button that's gonna deduct a number, one button that's gonna add a number. Did you notice today I'm drawing so good?
Yeah, they're really good.
Oh my god. I should get something for this. This is so good. Okay. That's not a boy face, it's actually zero. Wait, I will type zero. Okay, my god. I'm that typing really good. So cool. Okay. Right. I'm saying so we have two buttons, okay? These two buttons are actually done by XML. We just placed on one button here, the other button there, and a zero in between. Cool. These are all done by XML. All right. Now, why do we have Java then? What Java should do? Java is gonna give it the logic. You know what do you mean by logic? Like, if you click on plus, what should happen? Should the zero goes to one or no? If you click on minus, what should it do? Okay. So Java is just like the other form of JavaScript. These are the really kind of professional programming language which teaches you about giving logic to your code. All right. Yay. Okay. Did you understand the topic?
Yeah, I do.
Really? Do you have any question till here?
No, I don't. Not really. No.
So do you understand why do we use Java and XML? So whole mobile app development course is about two languages. What are
Okay.
those? XML and Java. Okay.
Yeah.
So we need to learn XML for designing, putting the contents, and making your layout for your mobile app, and Java to give it. What does Java do? Tell me.
To give it like the programming, like the moving things.
Yeah, we say that logic. Yeah,
Uh,
cool. So that will give logic, while XML give the contents and designs. Cool.
yeah. Okay.
Makes sense. Now, programming has changed. Not right now. People had started Kotlin. It's another kind of language that replaced Java. It's called Kotlin. Kotlin. All right. I'm really bad right now again in my typing skills. So Kotlin is another form of making mobile apps, and it's usually people right now the new developers are using it, but we don't care about that. We're gonna stick to Java because Java is like the bigger, like if you watch, what do you say, the legend language, what we all learned while we did our graduations and so on. Even you're gonna learn about that later on. Okay, so far, do you have any question in this explanation?
No, I don't.
Great.